Do you want to learn how to boot the live RAM disk for Ubuntu from a DVD? Make sure you watch this entire video to learn how. Before we begin, make sure you have your DVD inserted or your bootable USB drive plugged in. Now, if you had your BIOS or UEFI boot order to boot on those first, then you'll be okay. If not, you need to find the Select Boot Device option on your motherboard. In this case, we're using VirtualBox, it will be F12, but that may not be the case on your motherboard. We need to select one of the four options on this menu. We need to select Try or install Ubuntu. Press enter. This is the Ubuntu loading screen. This may take a while depending on how fast your hardware is. When everything is loaded, a window will appear, prompting two options. You either try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. This is an option we want to select. Click on this button. Now Ubuntu is ready to go to try out. If you ever decide you want to install it permanently, they gave an option on your desktop in the right hand lower corner. So what have you learned so far? We have shown you how easy it is to use a DVD or USB to boot up Ubuntu to try it out live without affecting your operating system. If you decided to install Ubuntu straight away, we will have a video coming out soon that will show you the steps on how to do this. Please consider becoming a patron because we need your help to continue and improve our content. You should watch this next video because you need to carry on your educational journey because it will help us in order to help you. So click it now. So be awesome and give it a click.